And you are looking at a giant solar outdoor light, street light. Look how big this thing is from Guoer. This is a 1200 watt solar outdoor light. Comes with everything you need. So thanks to Guoer for sending this out to review. Look how big this thing is. Comes with manual. Comes with this bracket right here, which I'll show you in a second how you can mount that around the pole. 1200 watts is a ton of light. Comes with bolts, so you'll be able to mount that right on a post, as well as anchors. If you want to put these anchors into a concrete wall, you'd be able to hang that way as well. So I said solar, so let's flip this around, and there we go. There is your solar panel right there. So I've already used this. I've already charged it up in the sun. Already mounted this post, so when you get it, it just comes with the light. And then this white post you mount. Let's flip this down right here so you can see it. So when we mount this to a post, what we're going to do is put this other piece right here. We'll stick these bolts through, and then we can mount that right on a post. So it already has kind of a built-in angle, so it will be tipped up just like that when we mount it. But let's turn this on, and actually I've got some video of using it at night. Let's press this on button. Look how bright that is. 1200 watts definitely will brighten up and make everything bright in the dark for sure. Now it comes with everything you need, and you may be wondering, well, if I mount this thing, how am I gonna like turn it on and off if it's up on a pole, especially for a street light? Well, guess what? It comes with a remote. This is awesome. On and off, boom, on, okay, and off, and you can do 100% power, 75%, 25, 50%. So let's turn that on. 50% power, 75 is brighter, 100%, 25%. Okay, it's got a timer on here as well. But another cool thing is that it is motion sensor right here. So let's turn this off. When anybody ever walks under it, it's going to be 100% brightness, just like right here. And then when nobody's around there, it's going to be dimmed down to 30% brightness. So they kind of be like this. Let's turn this on all the way. It's at 100% brightness when somebody goes under it, under the motion sensor, and then when nobody's there for a few seconds, then it'll go down to about 30% brightness. But just check that out, how awesome that is. Let's check out some footage at night so you can see how bright this is. But comes with everything you need. This is an awesome product.
So again, this is a 1200 watt solar power outdoor light that is wireless. Has the motion sensor with the switch, 7500 Kelvin, 45,000 lumens, and has a 25,000 milliamp lithium battery that will hold the charge from the sun. There are 864 LED chip pieces built into this light. It has very efficient solar panels made with polycrystalline silicon. If you charge it for 6 to 8 hours a day, it will light up all night long. And if you mount the light about 10 to 20 feet high, then you'll have a 3,000 square foot lighting area. IP66 waterproof, heat resistant, and frost resistant. Working time is 20 hours of light after charging for 6 to 8 hours. When it's fully charged, it'll last about 36 hours in dim mode. Like I said, this 1200 watt solar power light is awesome. Great for a street light, or for your parking light, or just to light up your yard. I'm going to mount it to a post to light up my driveway. Can highly recommend. Definitely go grab one of these.